Are you between the ages of 25 and above, but you're not incorporating retinol into your skincare routine? I just want to ask you why. Why have you decided to allow yourself look older than you're supposed to? Why have you allowed your skin to look dull and flaky and look older than you're supposed to? This is where I come in to advise you right now to start using retinol. Start incorporating retinol into your skincare routine if you know you want to continue to look young and beautiful. Guys, there's something most of us don't know. As we age, some of those natural properties that has been helping our skin to glow and look youthful starts to vanish. Okay, age strips them away. We start losing some of those things. That is why other people are advised to take lots of vegetables and fruits, to drink lots of water, and to take vitamins and supplements. Okay guys, yes, there's a reason for that. All these things helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps reverse age. Also, retinol does the same work. Incorporating retinol while doing all of these things will still help you achieve that beautiful skin that you want. It will help rewind your age and give you that youthful skin. Okay, yes, a lot of us don't know that. We don't know that. So today I'm going to be telling you, or probably reviewing, this Dr. Davey retinol and ferulic acid today, guys. Yes, so this is the particular one I've been using for some time and it has been working for me. So I just want to read out some of the things they wrote on the pack so that it doesn't feel like saying things based on the things I've experienced. Okay, I want to tell you things the manufacturers claimed it does, and I'll also tell you what I've experienced. Right here they said retinol plus ferulic acid age rewind serum targets creepy skin and promotes elasticity, promotes firmer skin by fighting visible sun damage. The optimal pH for a healthy skin barrier is 5.5. Pure ingredients to rebalance your skin. Okay, let me talk about this. Okay, yes guys, it helps with skin elasticity. It helps reverse damaged skin as well. It also helps to rebalance your skin. Whenever you're using it, you're not seeing a visible change within the first 3 to 4 months of use. I would suggest you look for another one. Okay, I didn't say within 1 month, though. I didn't say within weeks, so I said within 3 to 4 months of use and you're not seeing any visible changes on your skin, I guess it's time for you to try a different one. These are some of the things it does. The essence of retinol anti-aging facial essence is suitable for use during the day or night. Guys, I will suggest use it only at night. Okay, retinols are not supposed to be used during the day, but if you use it during the day, you need to use lots and lots of sunscreen to cover up so that you don't damage your skin. Okay, because guys, retinol has the power of exfoliating the skin, so it's not advised for you to use it during the day. It's also for firming skin. It can firm the skin and reduce fine lines. Retinol and other active ingredients with anti-aging and improving firm effect. Moisturizing essence. Okay, so guys, they wrote a lot of things here, but all I can tell you about retinol is that it reduces fine lines and wrinkles as well. It rejuvenates the skin. It gives your skin this beautiful and supple look when you make use of it. Okay guys, if you really want to get the maximum effect, use it only at night. Okay, use it only at night, and during the day make sure you use your sunscreen to protect your skin from the harmful UV rays. Even when it's not sunny outside, always use your sunscreen. Always use your sunscreen. It's very, very important. In general, all I have to say about using retinol is that when you use retinol, guys, it will take your skin from 1 to 100 before you know it. Yes guys, don't tell me that I did not get any result. So when truly you use it only for 1 month and you start shouting and you're not getting a result? Why will you get a result when you do not even allow it to do the work it's supposed to do on your skin? When you're using a retinol, make sure you use it for at least 3 months to 4 months so that you get that maximum effect that it gives on the skin. Guys, if you use it for 3 to 4 months, okay, to 5 months, and you're not seeing a visible change, dump that brand and go for a different brand. Okay, that doesn't mean that retinol doesn't work for your skin or it is not for you. Retinol is for everyone, but I think it depends on the brand that you're using, guys. Yes. Another thing is that when you're using retinol, for some people, okay, at times it purges their skin. If you use, some people use retinol and they start purging their skin within 1 month. They start using it within 2 to 3 weeks. They start using it. Purging your skin might be it's giving you pimples or acne or some little rashes. Okay, guys, that doesn't mean it's not working. That doesn't mean it's damaging your skin. Rather, it's trying to detoxify your skin. It's trying to clean up your skin. It's trying to remove all those toxins from your skin so that it will penetrate into your skin properly and start working. Yes, so if it's purging your skin, don't stop. Keep using it. Before you know it, your skin will pick up and start looking very, very beautiful and rejuvenated, guys. Yes, so the best way to use retinol is the sandwich method. What is the sandwich method? You use your moisturizer, use the retinol, and then your moisturizer. What do I mean? I'm using this as an example, guys. After taking your bath, you apply your moisturizer first on your skin, allow it to dry down. You apply your retinol. Okay, you don't apply retinol on a damp or wet skin, or apply it on a dry skin. The moment you've seen that your moisturizer has dried, then apply your retinol. Apply it every corner of your face. Make sure it penetrates. After applying that, you allow it to dry down. What did I say? Emphasis on dry down. Yes, allow it to dry. Then you now go in with your moisturizer once more. Yes, guys, so it will help your skin adapt to the retinol, and it will also if you have a very sensitive skin, this method will be very, very good for you. It will be very, very good so that your skin it doesn't irritate your skin or hurt your skin, guys. Yes, so this is all I have for today to tell you about how to use your retinol and how important retinol is for your skin, guys. If you haven't liked my video yet, this is the right time to like this video. And you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to subscribe to my channel, guys. Please don't forget to drop a comment. Please tell me which method you use whenever you apply your retinol, guys. Yes, and tell me how many times a day you use your retinol. Tell me how many times a day you use it, in the morning or at night only. Also, tell me how many times a week you use your retinol, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.